السلام عليكم. في last video وريت لكم how to solve quadratic equation in the form x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? And I just told you to do like find the factor of c when you add them equal to b. معليش ندير لكم تذكير. just recall, for example, if you have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, we're looking for factor of 6 when you add them equal to 5, so 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 equal to 6, 2 plus 3 is equal 5, and the solution is gonna be x plus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. And the solution is going to be x equal to negative 2 and x equal to negative 3. Now, في حالة ما إذا, in case we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, in this case we have a is different than 1, يعني ال a تاعنا لا يساوي 1. كيفاش نصولفيو how to solve this quadratic equation or this trinomial? So the first step, you have to do a times c. We have to do the product a times c. It's gonna be the same thing, and the factor for ac when you add them equal to b. هذه هي الطريقة. يعني واش نديرو الجداء تاع a ضرب c ونحوسو مع العوامل تاع ac هذوما، والمجموع تاعهم يساوي إلى b. I'm gonna give you like 2 or 3 examples to show you how you do this. So ندير لكم بعض الأمثلة نتبعوها باش تفهموا كيفية حل هذه المعادلة. اوكي، هنا عندنا example 1 عندنا 3x squared plus 19x plus 20 equal to 0. So أول حاجة we have to multiply 3 by 20. So if you see, we have a is 3, b is equal to 19, and c is equal to 20. Now what you do, you're gonna multiply a by c, or 3 times 20. 3 times 20 is equal to 60. Now we are looking for the factor of 60 and equal to b, which is 19. Factor of 20, there are a lot. Can be 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, and 4 times 15. This is positive. Because our 19 is positive, we are looking only the factor positive. So the good thing to choose here is 4 and 15. يعني 4 في 15 يساوي 60, and 4 زائد 15 يساوي 19. So this is the good factor you have to choose. It's 4 and 15. Now we're gonna rewrite 3x squared plus 19x plus 20. So another way, so we have to write نكتبو 3x squared and 19x هو نفسه 15x plus 4x plus 20 equal to 0. راكم تلاحظوا هذه هو 19x. واش نديرو factoring by grouping. نتجمعو نشوفو القاسم المشترك بين 3x square and 15x. We are looking for to find the factor, the greatest common factor between 3x square and 15x, which is here is gonna be 3x. And here's the remaining is gonna be x plus 5. Now we are looking the greatest common factor between 4x and 20. Here is gonna be just 4, and inside is gonna be x plus 5 equal to 0. So as you see here, we have the new common factor. So we have x plus 5 as new common factor. We're gonna put as a factor x plus 5 times 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So we done here the factoring. Now if we want to solve this equation for x plus 5 equal to 0, it means x equal to negative 5 and 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 4 over 3. These are your solution. So let's do another example, example 2. So we have here 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So the first thing you have to do, you multiply 3 by negative 2. If you do 3 times negative 2, you get negative 6. And looking for the factor of negative 6 equal to negative 5. So it's going to be negative 6 and 1. So negative 6 times 1 is negative 6, and negative 6 plus 5 equal to negative 6 plus 1 equal to negative 5. So now we're going to rewrite negative 5x as, now we have 3x squared minus 6x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Again, this is negative 5x. Now we do factoring by grouping. So we're going to group 3x squared minus 6x together. So the GCF here, or the greatest common factor, is going to be 3x. Is going to be x minus 2 plus, here we have x minus 2 equal to 0. So the new factor is going to be x minus 2. We have this 3x plus, so we have here 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now it's easy to solve this equation. So for the product equal to 0, it means x minus 2 equal to 0. When you say x minus 2 equal to 0, it means x equal to 2 and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 1 over 3. All right, let's do the last example. So example 3. So we have 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 equal to 0. So the same thing, we have to do 6 times 5. If you do 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Now we are looking factor of 30. When you add them equal to 17. So it's gonna be 15 and 2. 15 times 2 is equal to 30, and 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Now we're gonna rewrite 6x squared, 17x. It's 15x plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now looking, it's better to rewrite this one as 6x squared plus 2x plus 15x plus 5 equal to 0. Just rewrite it. So looking for the common factor between these two terms, it's gonna be 2x. Here's gonna be 3x plus 1 plus 15x and 5. The common factor is 5. Here's gonna be 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So the new common factor is gonna be 3x plus 1 times 2x plus 5 equal to 0. When you solve this one, 3x plus 1 equal to 0, it means x equal to negative 1 over 3. And 2x plus 5 equal to 0 means x equal negative 5 over 2. These are your two solutions.